Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to discuss about microbes in the human welfare topic. So microorganisms which are very smaller organisms we can't see with the naked eyes. So how they are useful to the human beings, let us see. So microorganisms actually they are the bacteria, fungi, protozoans, viruses, unicellular algae. So these are harmful to the humans because they will cause diseases, they are pathogenic in nature. Some microbes are also useful to the human beings. So, how they are useful to the human beings, let us discuss today. So, microorganisms like lactobacillus, yeast, so these are useful to the human welfare. So, let us see how they are useful. Let us see microbes in household products, they are useful in industrial product production, microbes in the sewage treatment, microbes in the biogas production, microbes as biocontrol agents and biofertilizers. So let us discuss one by one. First, microbes in the household products. Microbes in household products, they will produce the curd. They helps in the curd making. Lactobacillus, which will produce as the lactic acid. It partially coagulates the milk protein casein by fermentation process. Fermentation is anaerobic respiration, which will produce a lactic acid and a carbon dioxide. So they will act as a probiotics. So probiotics are nothing but are made of food, live bacteria or yeast that naturally live in our body. They will increases the vitamin B12 content in our body. Next, fermenting batter. So they will ferment the batter like idli and dosha batter. So the dough is fermented due to the carbon dioxide production released by the bacteria. And bread making also it is helpful. Here it is fungi, unicellular fungi, that is the E. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which ferment the dough and gives puffy nature to the cakes or bread. Toddy, a traditional drink which are also fermented by the yeast. Cheese making. Different kinds of cheese having different taste and texture are prepared using the specific microorganisms. Like Swiss cheese having larger holes, Propionibacterium shermani will produce this. Roquefort cheese and Camembert cheese produced by the Penicillium, that is fungal species. Next, microbes in the industrial product production. So production of the beverages like alcoholic drinks, wine, beer, etc. They will produce production of the antibiotics and other chemical substances. Few chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules are also produced by these microbes for the various human uses. So, the industrial products by using different microorganisms they will produce, which will undergo fermentation, anaerobic respiration to produce these aspergillus, lactic acid. They will produce soya sauce, cheese, yogurt, beer, wine, bread, etc. They can produce enzymes. So, oily laundry stains are removed using the lipases enzymes, which are obtained from the microorganisms which are present in the detergent formulations. Remove the lipids, oil stains. Bottle juices are also clarified using pectinases and proteases of the microbe. Drugs production, streptococcus, which produces a clot buster, streptokinase used in the heart attack patients in the medical treatment. Trichoderma polysporum produces the bioactive molecule cyclosporin, which helps as an immunosuppressive in organ transplant surgeries. Yeast, named Monascus purpureus, produces the statins. These statins will help to lower the blood cholesterol levels. So statins are used to lower the blood cholesterol level produced by a yeast Monascus purpureus organism. So these are produced by the microorganisms. Next, coming to the other products, steroids. Steroids are widely distributed in the animals, plants, and fungi like yeast. But producing steroids from the animal sources is very difficult. So microorganisms can synthesize the steroids from the sterols or from related easily obtained compounds. So steroids also producing by the microorganisms. To vaccines. Vaccines are also a product of industrial microbiology. Many antiviral vaccines are mass produced in the chicken, eggs, or the cell cultures. But nowadays, by using the RNA technology, they are increasingly important to produce a vaccine. Antibiotics. Many antibiotics are produced by microorganisms, predominantly by the actinomyces in the genus Streptomyces and by filamentous fungi. Penicillin is the first discovered antibiotic from a fungi, Penicillium notatum species, by the Alexander Fleming first observed the penicillin production. So, which will act against the other living organism. So, against the other living organism, these antibiotics will be used. Organic acids. Microorganisms are also used for the commercial and industrial production of the certain organic acids. These compounds can be produced directly from the glucose or from as an end product from the pyruvate or ethanol. Citric acid produced by the Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid Estobacter species will produces later Clostridium butylicum, a bacterium of the butyric acid. It produces lactobacillus will produce a lactic acid. So these are the organic acids produced from the microorganisms which are important industrial products. So next coming to the other products, let us see biofuel. Organic solvents such as ethanol, acetone, butanol, glycerol are important chemicals that are widely used in the petrochemical industries. These are commercially produced by using the microorganisms and low cost raw materials. They will use to produce them wood, cellulose and starch. They will use to produce these products, so which are used in the petrochemical industries. So microorganisms also using to produce the biofuel, one of the important industrial products. So next, amino acids such as lysine, glutamic acid are used in the food industry as nutritional supplements in the bread products, and as a flavor enhancing compounds such as monosodium glutamate are used industrially. So these are also produced by using the microorganisms. Next, coming to the vitamins, microbes are capable of synthesizing the vitamins, and hence they can be successfully used for the commercial production of many of the vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin, vitamin B12, ascorbic acid, many. So vitamins also producing from the microorganisms and used commercially. SCP, single cell proteins, can serve as alternate source of energy when a larger portion of the world is suffering from hunger and malnutrition. Single cell proteins are microbial cells that are rich in protein content and can be used as a protein supplements for the humans and animals. Spirulina, chlorella, etc. Other uses of the microbes are microbes used in the waste treatment in biogas production as a biofertilizers. Already discussed in the previous videos. Please go through those videos and learn about them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.